And we're gonna replace this one on Use What You Got. Use what you got. Use what you got. You think I should change the verbiage at all? Do you think?
I have no opinions.
If you watch the first 10 seconds of that, would you click away?
I wouldn't.
What are you talking about? You are like the queen of opinions. You have no opinions, yeah, right. Let's get into the video!
You're the one that feels like you need to say something.
Oh yeah, just making some content for the viewers.
All 7 of us.
So, ow.
Start and jump over the wood. You're like,
I don't know if I can jump that high.
use what you got.
Flip the table. Hey, this is Zach with Quick Fix. We're gonna renovate this closet for our twins. No, we're not just gonna be. Blah. Hopefully, blah. In this quick fix video, I'm gonna attempt to break this rocking chair. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to break it. I'm gonna make it worse. Hey, this is Zach with Use. Today on Use What You Got, we're gonna renovate the Quinn's tablet on a bobbit. In this quick fix video, I'm gonna attempt to fix the leg of this rocking chair. I'm going to attempt to talk like a human being. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Okay. I'm recording now. Are you done? It's really not that funny. Today on this episode of Quick Fix, we're not just gonna, no. You can't laugh like that, okay? I don't have a script, I'm not looking at a piece of paper. Probably should do that. Where's that finish? Check it out!
Actually did finish it, yeah.
Check it out, I got it squared.
And it's pretty sturdy.
Not too shabby.
That should be your slogan. Not too shabby. Use what you got, not too shabby.
Oh man. All right, use what you got. I think I saw 1 or 2.
I'm so sorry. She's making cicada tacos. Live.
I don't. What are you doing? Like, was that necessary?
She heard they taste like shrimp. You might like them.
Probably not. Knew that was gonna happen. Come on, baby. Oh, that was hot. You know how many times I spent like 10 minutes? We're first gonna find the stud, and he's right here. There should be wood right there.
This guy is called the Stud Buddy. And it's a magnet that finds the screws in the stud. It worked earlier. There's a stud here.
All right,
It's him.
we all know that. Use what you got.